Hello, different tech bros. Next up, we have got the all-new dash cam from Nextbase, and this is the GW622. So this is their latest in line. So you've got Alexa built in, made for iPhone, iPad, designed for Android, Wi-Fi certified. You've got what 3 words built in, and compatible with Nextbase rear camera modules. So this is 4K, and you've got digital image stabilization, what 3 words, extreme weather mode, super slow motion, emergency response, and Alexa built in. So pretty nice. And on the back here, it will tell us you have a quick and go mount, you have a power cable, USB cable, suction mount, fitting tool, and your quick start guide. So that's basically what the box looks like there. So first up, we will break into the box and have a look at the goods. And we have another seal here. So you get your usual booklets and stuff, and of course your Nextbase sticker to stick in the window, which is always handy to have. And your quick start guide. And in here we have the unit itself, and in here we have got our power cable, our suction mount, our 3M sticker, spare one, which is always handy to have. You've got another mount here, and you have got your cable, and you've got your fixing tool. Now, depending on the voltage in your car, sometimes the cable isn't good enough, but the one that comes with it should be. I've noticed from using dash cams, you can use the short cable if you've got a USB port in your vehicle. If not, you can just go ahead and use this one here. It's just better cable management using the shorter one, or of course you can hardwire it if you like. It's up to yourself. Everybody is different, so just get all that there because we have to install, so there's no point in packing it away like I usually do with my stuff, as people know. And here is the dash cam itself. Feels a bit more weighty, this one, than previous versions. So you've got your lens cover here, so that will just protect the lens. And here you've got your SD card, your power button, and your cable here, and speakers. And you've got your HD out there, so if you want to connect another camera to the rear, you will put it through there. And you've got a reset button here, and this famous piece that's on all Nextbase dash cams. And of course you have got a red button here to protect your files. Again, a quick and easy way. So this dash cam has a full touch screen, charge for 2 hours before use default settings, format SD card fortnightly, which you should do with all dash cams, and download the Nextbase Connect app. So that's pretty much it. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at the software next, and then we will get you day and night samples. So that's pretty much it for the hardware itself. We'll have a look at the UI, and then we'll get some clips, so stay tuned after the break. Okay, so we're back with Nextbase. We're going to quickly go through the setup on you here, and something I've noticed here that it's just kind of reset itself. I've been using this now for a week or two, and you can see here the activity on the app, which we're going to go through. Now, found that app terrible on Android for some reason. Keep saying you're connected, but you can't connect your files, but that's probably just something to do with the phone maybe. So if you go into your settings in this, your video settings, so you've got your resolution here, so your 4K at 30, 1440p at 30, 1080 at 60, and so on. So you just go through there and check them yourself. Our videos that we've pulled are in top resolution, so just so you'll know. So you've got your exposure level here, Your video length here you can change to whatever minutes you want. 3 minutes is normally what people use. Your audio on and off. You scroll across, you've got your timestamp, which will be on the bottom of the screen. Your speed stamp again, which will be there. Your GPS stamp again. And the model stamp. They'll be all on the bottom of the dash cam on this screen. So you've got dual files, so you've on or off. Your time lapse. Your number plate recognition if you need it. And your G sensor, so that's for if you're parked and so on. So I'd suggest setting that to low, because if you go over ramps and the likes of that stuff, it will go off and it's just only going to take up space on the card. So after that then you've got your driver assistance. So you've got your what 3 words on or off. You've got your reversing camera if you have one, and your emergency SOS again if you have it set up. So that's basically what you're going to get in the thing here. So then you've got screensaver, which you can use on or off. You've got your alerts on or off. Your recording history. Parking mode on or off as well. And then your language, your country. So you'll put your country in there, your time and date, and you have your speed units, miles or kilometers, your device sounds, screen dimming, and you've auto power off. So then you keep user settings, default settings. You can reset your card and your system info. So it's always best advice to format your SD card every 2 weeks, and it's best just do that. And then of course your Alexa there, but you're kind of limited to what you can do with Alexa there. So onto the app, and when you go into the app here, you'll have all this here. So you have all your files there, like so. You have your library in here, so you can go through them from there, like so. So if you're on the road, so this is the problem I've been having as well with sometimes with the Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to go back into the settings again and set it up. Okay, so we're back connected again. As you can see, we have got connection here. So you do have live view here up on top, which obviously gives you a live view of the camera. So if you have your phone in the mount on the dashboard or on your phone holder, whatever the case may be, you can go through this here. So then in here you have your dash cam, your settings and all this kind of stuff, your Wi-Fi connection, your emergency SOS, Alexa, instant aware, FAQs, upload history, app settings, contact us, and all the software or the social media down here. So when you go in here then, if you go into the clips, you can pick on a clip. So any clips that's locked, you can lock your clip by pressing this Nextbase button here. So if you get in here, you get the telemetry then, which is really nice, and then you get the speed and all this stuff in here, which is pretty cool. So that's what you get within the app there, which is really nice. So you have your save files, your locked files there, which you can use to protect. So it's handy having that feature there, particularly if you want to save an instant or whatever the case may be. So anything you'll download will be in the library here, and then you just go home here and you have your live view up on top. So overall, as usual with Nextbase, pretty good, pretty simple. The only kind of problem I have is the connectivity issue. It just seems to be a problem. Could be down to something on my end, I don't know. But when it's connected up, it works well, and it's really nice, and the quality of the pictures is excellent on this camera, particularly if you're looking through from this side even here. And again, you have got photographs is just like that there if you want to take a picture. So if you want to take a picture on the phone or on the dash cam, you just tap the screen like that and it'll save like that there, and obviously that'll come up as a PNG, and that's really it. So if you go into a video, you have your map there, so it will give you the telemetry like so, the directions, the speeds, the whole lot, as you can see. And then up there you can download, lock it, or delete it. So that's basically it. We'll have some footage of the camera in action after the break. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask after watching those clips, and that will be the end of the review. Nothing more left, just to show you what the camera is like in day and night and so on, and you can check out yourself how you feel about it from there. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.